Alright guys, welcome to my apartment in Medellin, Colombia. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a quick tour and I'll give a price at the very end of the video. So if we take a look here, I'm gonna start off. I will consider this a higher end apartment for a single person or a couple, or you could also possibly have one or two people sleep on the couch, but I would probably recommend just two people tops. So you have a full refrigerator, as you can tell, completely clean, and also a freezer, with the working ice machine. That's really nice. Standard kitchen sink, tabletop to cooking whatever you want to do, a microwave also, and also washer and dryer. Okay, I believe this is to wash. I'm not sure if there's a dryer. To take a look. And this is an old school wash right here. And then we have the tabletop. Excuse my stuff I just got here. Tabletop. Okay, the nice little kitchen setup, which is really cool. It's changed since I've been here. Alright, let's take a look at the kitchen. There's actually two restrooms. There's this restroom, which is like a side restroom. Which I didn't use last time I was here. And we go to the other restroom next. This is like the real restroom. Okay. It's me. Pretty clean. Shouldn't have any issue there with the market today and buy some stuff. And the bed, I think I already showed that off, the king size, so it's a really good size. And last but not least, the outdoor area with the hammock, with a good view, a really good view, which is really nice. This is a really good view. I mean, you cannot beat this at all. Cannot beat this view at all. But that's a review of the apartment. I'll put the price, and I'll also put the location and the link to this Airbnb, because Diego is an awesome person who helped me with the Airbnb, set this up. This is his. Also, there's a TV included, which I forgot to talk about, which has DirecTV, and it also has, I believe, Netflix. I don't kind of watch a lot of TV. A fan, because they don't have air conditioning or a heater in Medellin, because it doesn't get super hot or super cold. It usually stays within like Fahrenheit range, 62, 60 to maybe 88. Okay, and this is your walk-in closet. But yeah, tour of the apartment. I'm glad you guys tuned in, and I'll be showcasing more of my Colombian adventures as the weeks go on. I got this tan going on. I wanted to get really dark before I came to Colombia. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video.